So, hi everyone. At this question, first of all, read the question carefully. Whatever question it may be, always read the question carefully. Consider two infinitely large plane parallel conducting plates as shown below. The plates are uniformly charged with a surface charge density sigma and minus 2. Okay. What is the force experienced by a point charge placed at the midpoint between the two plates? Okay. So it's a very easy question like electric field to infinitely charged plate sigma y to epsilon naught. So this plate is having the surface charge density plus sigma. This is having the minus 2 sigma. If you place any positive q charge at the midpoint of this plate, this is d by 2, then how much force? The force experienced by a point charge q placed at the midpoint. See, this is negative plate. So it will attract this plus q in this direction. Electric field will be in this direction due to negative. Due to this plus will repel this. So it will be in this direction. So net electric field will be what? It will be addition of these two. E plus its magnitude, then direction is I cap. E negative, I cap. So E net will be what? Net electric field will be what? E plus will be sigma y to epsilon naught. I cap. Similarly, this will be sigma y to sigma less I cap. So answer comes out to be 3 sigma y to epsilon naught. This is the net electric field. But actually what they're asking on this plus q, how much field is going to act? This much. But in this question they are asking what is the force? The force experienced by a point charge. Clear? So we know that F will be what? F factor will be Q into E. Force on a point charge will be like this. Q into E net. E net is what? 3 sigma pi to epsilon. So answer comes out to be 3 sigma Q pi to epsilon. Direction will be I can. I hope this doubt is clear. If still you have doubt, you can always approach me. You are always welcome to me. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot.